Hi, this is Nick from Lipscomb Fiat. I'm just going to show you around this new Fiat 500. It's the Hey Google Special Edition, finished in crossover black. So it comes with these nice grey anodised wheels. There's the Hey Google logo there. And it's got spots up the driver's door pillar. Let me just show you inside the car. So inside the car, the Hey Google has its own individual trim design with the Google colour spots. It's got a silver dash which is contrasted to the outside of the car. It's got a 7-inch touchscreen with Hey Google and the Apple CarPlay. Air conditioning there and a 6-speed gearbox, as this one is a hybrid, as all of our new cars are now. Automatic lights and wipers are standard on the car, and as you can see, the interior looks really great. So I'll just take you around the rest of the car. The body design's got some spoiler around it like the sport version. The car's fitted with reverse parking sensors. You can just see those in the bumper there. So in the boot you've got the 50-50 split rear seat and the rear headrest there. It's a really good looking car. Specially designed in conjunction with Google themselves. So this car's available, it's in stock for immediate delivery.